morning, my dear friends and students. I hope all are doing well and good. Welcome back to Ravi Math Space YouTube channel for math education. Myself, B. Ravi. Today we are going to learn and discuss the topic of squares and square roots. Squares and square roots. So, if you are watching first time my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Already in the previous videos I explained some basic concept of mathematics. You can watch the videos and learn the basics and build a confidence in the maths. Okay. So our topic is squares and square root. Squares and square roots. So what is the meaning of square? Why we should learn this topic? Why we should learn this topic? If we learn this topic, squares and square roots, one more chapter is there, cube and cube roots. These two topics, if you learn, means you can get the confidence in the maths while doing the problems. Understanding here? So, these two topics makes a very big confidence to students while doing the problems. That's why 100% we should learn the squares and the cubes. Every student, that is for at least 1 to 25 squares, 1 to 15 cubes you should learn. Understanding? So this memorization gives a lot of confidence to students. I hope you can understand the squares and the square roots now. See here. Okay. First, what is the meaning of square? So, very simple, square is nothing but if a number is multiplied itself, then we will get the one result. That result is called as a product. That product is called as a square of that number. What it is? Square of that number. Simply, we can say if a number is multiplied itself, the product is obtained is called square of that number. That is the definition of a square. So one more thing is perfect square. What is the meaning of perfect square here? Perfect square is a number. Perfect square is a number. It is a square of natural number. It is a square of natural numbers. Or how we can verify the given number is perfect square or not? So we can verify by doing some process. What is that process? That number we can express in the form of prime factorization. After expressing the prime factorization, so we have to make all prime factorization as a pairs of equal factors. What we should do? We have to make pairs of equal factors. If that number consists pairs of equal factors, that is a perfect square. Otherwise, no. Okay. Through some example, we can understand more better. One by one, we will discuss. See here, already I have written here some definitions. You can once again revise. You can take screenshot also here. So a square, if a number is multiplied by itself, the product so obtained is called square of that number. Next one is perfect square. The square of a natural number is called perfect square. So how to verify like this? A number, if its prime factor can be represented in pairs of equal factor. Pairs of equal factors. This is the definition. See, in the mathematics, every concept consists as a definition. So if you know the definition, means we can do the problems very easy. We can understand the problem very easy. Understand here? Okay. If I take 2, 2 is a number. 2 is a number. When we have to say it is a square, this 2 is multiplied itself. This 2 multiplied itself, then we will get product. So 2 times 2 is 4. This 4 is a square of this 2. 4 is a square of this 2. Simply I can write as it is for as a 2 square, meaning is 2 raised to the power of 2. 2 raised to the power of 2. So simply one more example. If I take 3, 3 is a natural number. 3 is a natural number. Suppose this 3 multiplied itself, meaning is 3 into 3. What is answer here? 9. Then 9 is said to be square of what number? 3. Similarly, if I take 4, itself multiplied, we got answer is 16. 16 is said to be square of 4. Square of 4. Like this, we can find the any number square. We can find the any number square. So square means simple definition. What is the meaning of square here? A number multiplied itself, then product is obtained. That product is called square of that number. Square of that number. So I hope you understand the square definition. So this 2 into 2. How I can write here? I can write as a 2 raised to the power of 2. Simply we can write as a 2 square. We have a special name is there, 2 square, or we can read also 2 to the power of 2 also we can read, 2 square also we can read, 2 raised to the power of 2 also we can read. So meaning is only, but simple we can read, which is nothing but 2 square. Now 3 into 3, which is 9, I can write 3 square, 4 square. Understand here? Meaning is 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 16 is the square of 4, 9 is a square of 3, 4 is a square of 2. This is the definition of square. Next one is what? Perfect square. Next one is perfect square. What is the meaning of perfect square? Yes, square of any natural number is called as a perfect square. Square of any natural number is a perfect square. Meaning is, suppose it is a 16. 16 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. Can you tell me 26 is perfect square? No. Why? Reason? Why reason? How to verify it is perfect or not? So I will tell it here. See here. How to verify means, for verification we have one condition will be there. What condition? The number, if its prime factors can be expressed in pairs of equal factors. Pairs of equal factors. Meaning is what are here? Very simple. First we have to find out this number prime factorization. How to find prime factorization means already we know. So how to find? By using long division method. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Next one is 13 ones are 13. So how I can write prime factorization for 26? 2 into 13. 2 into 13. So after prime factorization, what we should do? These all are the prime factors of this number. This prime factorization we have to express in, how it is, in pairs of equal factors. Pairs of equal factors. Suppose if I take 2 here, one number, its pair should be here. Here 13, its pair should be here, equal factor should be here. But here 2 is only single time is there, 13 also only single time is there. That's why it is not a perfect square. So one more example I will give, we can understand more better. Understand here? Why? Because we can't make in this pairs of equal factors. Pairs mean two. Understand here? Same number we have to make as a one group. That is called as a pair. Pair means two numbers make as a one group. So here both are single number. I can't make the pairs of equal pairs. Yes or no? That's why it is 26 is a not perfect square. Okay, I will take one more number. 1024. 1024. 1024 is a perfect square or not? So how to verify? Say we have a one process. First, this number we have to write or express in the form of prime factorization form. How to verify? By using long division method. So long division method. Okay. Now find out the prime factorization of this number. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 take smallest prime number. Sir, you are doing fast here. How I can understand means? So how to find out the factorization, prime factorization of a given numbers? Already I have explained in the basic concept. I will provide the link in the description box. You can watch and learn the topic. Understand here? Okay, 2 2s are 4. Now 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are. Again 2 6s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Again 32 I can write as a 2 16s are. Again I can write as a 2 8s are. Again I can write as a 2 4s are. Again I can write as a 2 2s are, 2 1s are. What a miracle here. For this number all came here with 2 only. Total entire factors came here. So meaning is 1024. How I can split as a prime factorization? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I found here what it is, prime factorization of a number. Prime factorization of this number. After finding what we should do, sir, here, next step is what we should do. We have to make this prime factorization as a equal factors, pairs of equal factors. I am making here pairs of equal factor. First pair. Why these two are equal factor? It is for one pair. Again these two are equal factor, one pair. Like this. Yes. Meaning is here. So total we have a 5 pairs are there here. Total we have a 5 pairs are there. So complete pair is there. If a number consists complete exactly pair means that number is a perfect square. Now come to in this case here. So we got here 2 into 13. Here only 2 also and 13 also only single time is there here. So we can't make as a pair. That's why it is not a perfect square. It is a perfect square. When it is a 102 is a 1024 is a what number perfect square it is? Very simple here. From each pair, one number you have to pick up and multiply. From each pair, one number we have to pick up and multiply. We will get required answer. So first pair I am taking 2. Second pair I am taking 1 number. Third from third pair 1 number. Fourth pair 1 number. Like this we will get as a total 5 prime factors. Actually here all are the same number only. Why? Because 2 only repeating. So only one prime number, that is repeating itself 10 times. We are getting this number. That's why I am taking each pair same number only. Now multiply this all, what we are going to get here? 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32. Meaning is what here? 1024 is a square of 32. What number? I can write as a is equal to 32 square. This is the process to identify the given number which is perfect square or not. Understand here process? Once again listen careful here. So what is the first step here? For given number, for this given number, what we should do here? First to find out the prime factorization of this number by using long division method. This is the first step. Second step, what we should do? So we have to make prime factorization as a, how to make pairs of equal factors. Pairs of equal factors. So like this we have to make. So equal factor you should take. Remember, equal factor means same number we should take. So like this. After that number consists exactly equal number of pairs of factors means it is a perfect square. Even one number here left means it is not a perfect square. Okay. So I will explain one example, you can understand better here. So suppose after finding this one, which number perfect square it is, you can find out means very simple. From these pairs you can pick out each one number from each pair and to multiply it. You will get the required answer. Okay. Next, suppose one more example I will take here. Next number is 3675. Check this number is perfect square or not. Check this number is perfect square or not. Okay. So already I explained the process. Same process you have to repeat. What is the first step here? For this number we are going to find out the prime factorization. Meaning is, see here. How to find out by using long division method. So find here. Okay, this number is divisible by what number here? Actually, this number ending with 5 now. Take for direct 5. Okay. 5 7 is 35, 1 carry, 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25. Again, ending with 5 means 5 take direct. 5 1 is 5, so 2 carry, 5 4 is 20. Again here 35. 35 means 5 7s are 35. Next, which one we will get? 147 here. 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1. 3 table will go. Why? Because sum of the digits should be divisible by 3 means it will be divisible by 3. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12. So it will be divisible by 3 means this number is divisible by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 2. Now 27, 3 9s are 27. Again it will be divisible by what number? See here, 9 plus 4 is 13, will not divisible by 3. Takes first next prime number 7. 7 7s are 49. So again 7 1s are 7. So this is the prime factorization of this number. Write it here order. 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. This is the prime factorization of this number, that is 3675. After what we should do here, this prime factorization make pairs of equal factors. So if I take 3 means only 1 is 3 there, I can't make a pair. 5 is there, I can make a pair. 7 is there, I can make a pair here. So here one number left, that is 3. I can't make a pair. So that's why it is what number? Not a perfect square. What it is? Not a perfect square. Suppose this number you want to make as a perfect square. Can you tell me how to make here? This number you want to make as a perfect square. How to make here? Very simple here. So here for 3 is there. We want to make pair means what required here? One more 3 is required. Yes or no? One more 3 is required. So in both sides, if I multiply with 3 means whatever answer coming, that product become as a perfect square. Meaning this number we are making a perfect square. How sir? By multiplying. That is for one condition. By multiplying. Understand here? Okay. See here, by multiplying this number means, so both sides I am multiplying with 3. So 3, 6, 7, 5 into 3. So 3 into 3. Meaning is this 3 now become as a 2. So I can make a pair. So already it is for pair. It is for 7 into 7. Yes or no? Now multiplying here, what answer we got here? 5 3 is 15. So 1 carry, 7 3 is 21 plus 1, 22. 6 3 is 18 plus 2, 20. Now 3 is 9 plus 2, 11. Which is nothing but as a 11,025. Meaning is 11,025. So it is a perfect number. Meaning is what here? 3,675 I made as a perfect square by multiplying both sides whatever required number here. What number required to make a pair here? That is 3. That's why I am multiplying both sides with 3. With 3. Now sir, this number, what number perfect square? How to identify? Very simple. Here we made a pairs. From each pair you have to pick out one number. From this pair I can take one number. From this pair I can make one number. This pair I can pick one number. So if you multiply means you will get the required answer of that. Meaning this is what here. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 15 7s are how much here? 105. So it is a perfect square of 105. 11,025 is a perfect square of 105. Understand here? So this is for one way. Meaning is if the given number is not a perfect square, we can make the perfect square. How? By multiplying. By multiplying. What number we should multiply? Whatever number here required to make a pair, that number you should multiply both sides. Whatever after multiplying we will get a product. That product is a perfect square. For which number? From each group we have to take one number and multiply. So 11,025 is a perfect square of 105. This is the answer. See, concept understanding is very most important. Understand here. This is for the one way. Now another way also we can make. How sir? By using division. By using division. Same concept I will explain, but by using division. See here. Meaning is when it is not a perfect square, I can make perfect square here by multiplying. We can also make perfect square by using division also. By using division also. So how sir we see? So 3 6 7 5 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Meaning is this number prime factorization. I made here pairs. So only 3 1 is there. I can't make a pair. Meaning is if I eliminate this number, means eliminate is nothing but as a division of what number? Whatever number we are going to eliminate, that number only we should divide both sides. Then we will get the quotient. That quotient is a perfect square. Once again see here. So what we should do here? So this number I can make as a pair, otherwise we can eliminate. If I eliminate means we will get 2 pairs, perfect pairs we will get, yes or no? Otherwise 3 also I can make a pair by multiplying. First I did here by multiplying this 3 make as a pair. That's why this answer came. Now I am dividing with what number? This number only. Yes or no? So both sides you have to divide with 3. So if I divide with 3 means, so 3 ones are 3 ones are get cancelled. In this side, what we are going to left here 5 into 5, 7 into 7. Now here divide 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 twos are 3 fives are. Meaning is 1225 is a quotient. This quotient become as a perfect square of what number, sir? Very simple. From each pair you have to take one number, which is nothing but the 35. So 1225 is a perfect square of what number? 35. Understand here? So finally what I can conclude here? If number which is not a perfect square, so we can make perfect square by multiplying or dividing. This point you should remember. So a number which is not a perfect square, so how I can make? By multiplying and dividing suitable numbers. Okay, this is about as a what is perfect square. Okay, now how many squares we should learn here? So every student at least 25 squares you should learn. Sir, what is the reason why we should learn these squares means? So this memorization of squares will give confidence while doing the math calculations. It creates a confidence in the math students. Understand here? That's why we should learn here. 25 squares, na? Yes. I will write here 25 squares. Listen here. Suppose 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 25. 6 square is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 49. 8 square is equal to 64. 9 square is equal to 81. 10 square is equal to 100. 11 square is equal to 121. 12 square is equal to 144. 13 square is equal to 169. 14 square is equal to 196. 15 square is equal to 225. 16 square is equal to 256. 17 square is equal to 289. 18 square is equal to 324. 19 square is equal to 361. 20 square is equal to 400. 21 square is equal to 441. 22 square is equal to 484. 23 square is equal to 529. 24 square is equal to 576. Now 25 square is equal to 625. 625. Yes, these are the 1 to 25 squares. Now if you observe here, ones place of the all squares here, see, here ones place 1 only, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. Ones place of the squares, see here. Ones place of the squares. What digits we are getting here? Ones place here. If you observe, we see here. So 1 I am getting, 4 I am getting, 9 I am getting, 6 I am getting, 5 I am getting. Next one is 0 I am getting. What digits we are not getting here? 2, 3, 7 and 8. These digits are not getting in the ones place digits of the squares. Meaning is, what we are going to understand the first property here. Squares does not end with the digits. What is 2, 3, 7, 8? This is the first point. Square never ends with the digits 2, 3, 7, 8. This is the first property. Next property is what here? Square of all numbers always positive. Square of natural number always positive. Remember, square is there, any number means that is for always positive only. Negative will not come. That is the second property. If you observe here, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36, 8 square is equal to 64. Now 9 square is equal to 81, 10 square is equal to 81. See, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the even numbers. Even numbers. Answer what coming? Yes, answer also we are getting even numbers only. See here, 2 square is 4, 16, 36, 64 as well as 100, 144, 196. Meaning is, what we are going to understand here? Square of even number. Answer should be even only. Square of even number is even. Understand? This is the third property. Similarly, for odd numbers also. Square of odd numbers. Square of odd numbers. What is the answer? Should be odd only. Square of odd number is odd only. This is the fourth property. Understand here? So, one more I can tell here. Square of any number. Square of any number equal to the, see here, I am writing. Square of any number, any natural number equal to the sum of the first n odd numbers. Square of any number equal to the sum of first n odd numbers. What is the meaning of that, sir? You are telling. Okay, see here. Suppose, one example I will take, you can understand better here. It is the fifth property. Suppose if I take 4 square. If I take 4 square. 4 square answer is what here? 16. 4 square is 16. Now see, so this value equal to this one, sum of first n odd numbers. Odd numbers. How, sir? Very simple. See, suppose 4 square, what first odd number is what here? 1. Second odd number is what here? What we should consider here? See here. Here 4 square, which is in the form of n square. What is the n value by seeing? Comparing here, n is equal to 4. Meaning is what here? So here first sum of first 4 odd numbers equal to this number. It is correct or wrong? Once verify. First odd number is what here? 1. Second odd number is what children here? 3. Third one is what here? 5. Fourth one is 7. Odd numbers I am writing. Now these 4 odd numbers, sum of first 4 odd number equal to this only. Once on addition here, do addition, what you are going to get here? 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. Understand here? So, see, verified here. So, square of any number, n become, n value, any number, any natural number you will get here. So, sum of the first n odd numbers, whatever here n will be there, na? That many first n odd numbers, sum of first n odd numbers. That is the logic here. One more example I will tell for you here. See here. What is here? Suppose if I take 5 square. One more example, that is 5 square. 5 square, by comparing these two, what is the n value here? N value is equal to 5. N value is equal to 5. Meaning is what here? Meaning is what here? We are going to consider here. From first onwards, 5 odd numbers we should consider. What n value 5 is? What is the meaning of that? From first, we are going to consider 5 odd numbers. Can you tell me what are the 5 odd numbers one by one? You can say. First one is 1 only. Second one is what here? 3. Third one is 5. Fourth one is 7. Fifth one is 9. Meaning is now this total sum should be equal to this square. We are getting same or not? See here. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Already we know 5 square is equal to 25. 5 square is equal to 25. So, this is the meaning of this one. Understand here? Square of any number equal to the sum of the first n odd numbers. Sum of the first n odd numbers. Simple definition, whatever square we are taking, that many odd number sum should be equal to this square. That is the logic here. Okay? So, these all are the properties of squares. So, total how many properties are there related to square? We have 5 properties. First property, square never ends with 2, 3, 7 and 8. That is the first property. Next property is what? Square always positive. Square always positive. Next one is what? Third property. Square of even numbers, even only. Square of odd numbers, odd only. Fifth property. Square of any number which is equal to sum of the first n odd numbers. First n odd numbers. So, this is the concept of squares. In the next video, we will discuss the topic of square roots and how to remember the squares 1 to 100. I will explain some tricks. Okay. Until, take care. Bye bye. If you understand the concept, please do subscribe and share my channel to your